Hello guys, hope you all are doing great and enjoying your holiday season to the fullest. It's Christmas and New Year time. I really wanted to celebrate it my way by crafting some decorative pieces. So welcome to our festive crafting vlog, where we dive into the joyful world of Christmas and New Year crafts. As the holiday season approaches, there's no better time to unleash your creativity and make unique decorations, gifts, and keepsakes. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, our friendly tutorials will guide you through fun projects that will bring a touch of magic to your celebrations. So grab your crafting supplies and get ready to celebrate the season with us. We encourage you to share your creations and ideas in the comments, fostering a warm community of fellow crafters. Let's make this holiday season memorable by crafting together, one project at a time. Happy crafting, and let the festivities begin. Crafting a Christmas tree using pipe cleaners is a delightful and creative endeavor that adds a personal touch to holiday decorations. To begin, gather your materials, which include an assortment of pipe cleaners in various colors, a paper cone, a paper bowl, and a glass or multiple glasses if you wish to achieve a taller structure. The paper bowl will serve as the base of your tree, while the glasses will provide height and stability. Once you have your materials ready, start by forming leafy patterns with the pipe cleaner sticks. Cut the pipe cleaners into various lengths to create a layered effect, resembling the branches of a tree. Twist and shape each piece into a leafy design, ensuring that they are visually appealing and varied in size. This step is crucial, as the leafy patterns will give your Christmas tree its lush and vibrant appearance. Next, if you are using a single long glass, securely attach the paper cone to the top. If you prefer a taller tree, you can stack multiple glasses, securing them one by one to achieve the desired height. Once the structure is in place, begin adhering the leafy patterns to the glasses. Use glue or tape to ensure that each piece is firmly attached, creating a seamless transition from the base to the top of the tree. Your desired materials. Place your own handmade tree on the best location. Take a step back to admire your handiwork. The combination of the leafy pipe cleaner patterns and the layered glasses will create a charming and whimsical Christmas tree. This project not only enhances your holiday spirit but also serves as a wonderful opportunity for creativity and craftsmanship. Enjoy the process, and consider involving family or friends to make it a shared festive experience. Finally, take a step back to admire your handiwork. The combination of the leafy pipe cleaner patterns and the layered glasses will create a charming and whimsical Christmas tree. This project not only enhances your holiday spirit but also serves as a wonderful opportunity for creativity and craftsmanship. Enjoy the process, and consider involving family or friends to make it a shared festive experience. As we wrap up our crafty Christmas vlog, we hope you found inspiration for your holiday projects and enjoy the festive spirit with us. Remember, the joy of crafting is all about creativity and sharing moments with loved ones. We wish you a Merry Christmas filled with warmth, laughter, and beautiful memories, and may the new year bring you endless opportunities and happiness. Thank you for joining us, and we can't wait to see you again in the next season of crafting fun. Thank you. Take care. Jai Shiv Shakti.